Everything that is creating this sense of restlessness in my body, the need to move, to adjust, to escape, to let go. All the places where my body has learned that stillness is uncomfortable, unsafe, or unfamiliar. All the conditioning where my body associates stopping with boredom, suppression, or even danger. All the lifetimes, experiences, and memories where my body had to stay alert, had to be ready, had to keep moving to survive. I now acknowledge all of that without judgment and destroy and uncreate the charge of it across all timelines. Body, what if you don't have to run anymore? What if you are safe right here? Everything that makes sitting still feel like a task, a burden, or something that I have to tolerate. All the resistance in my muscles, my joints, my nervous system, all the micro contractions I'm holding unconsciously. Every time I forced my body to sit in discomfort, every time I ignored its signals, every time stillness was imposed instead of chosen. I now release all the resistance my body has built around stillness. Body, can we redefine stillness? Not as something rigid, but as something soft, allowing, and supported. Everything that shows up as pressure in my head, tightness in my temples, or heaviness behind my eyes, all the energy I'm holding instead of allowing to flow, all the thoughts I'm trying to stop instead of letting it pass, all the effort I'm using to do meditation correctly, all the control I'm placing on my mind and body. I destroy and create all the control, effort, and force. Everything that is stuck in my head can now melt, soften, and move down through my body. Body, where would you like this energy to go? Can you let it flow instead of holding it? Everything my body is processing through my gut, all the emotions, thoughts, and energies that I have not acknowledged, all the anxiety stored in my stomach, all the fear of letting go, all the unease of being with myself. I now allow my body to release all this without making it wrong. And I destroy and uncreate all the judgment of discomfort. Body, thank you for communicating. What are you trying to release that I haven't been willing to feel? I now allow it gently without resistance. Everything that shows up as pain when I sit, whether in my back, my legs, or my neck, all the stored tension, all the unprocessed energy, all the holding patterns, everywhere I have locked energy in my body over time through stress, suppression, control, I now release the need to hold it and destroy and uncreate all the points of view that pain means something is wrong. Body, what if this is just energy asking to move? Can we allow movement even within stillness? Everything that activates my fight, flight, or freeze response the moment I choose to close my eyes, all the unconscious scanning for danger, all the hyper awareness that keeps me from relaxing, all the past experiences where letting my guards down was not safe. I now gently tell my body that this moment is different, and I destroy and uncreate all the outdated survival responses. Body, can you receive this reality as safe? Can you soften even 1% more? All the ways I leave my body during meditation, drifting away, spacing out, disconnecting, all the reasons I decided it was easier to not be fully present in my body, every judgment I have about my body that make me separate from it, I now destroy and uncreate all the separation. Everything that keeps me from fully inhabiting my body, I release it. Body, I'm here now. Can we be together without judgment? Everything that is force, effort, trying, pushing myself to do it right, all the discipline that is actually harshness, all the control disguised as practice. Everywhere I am overriding my body's natural rhythm, I now destroy and uncreate all the force. What if meditation is not something I make my body do, but something my body can receive? Body, what would ease look like here? Everything that creates impatience, the urge to check time, to finish, to move on, all the conditioning that says I must always be doing something productive, all the discomfort with simply being. I now destroy and uncreate all the impatience. What if nothing is missing in this moment? Body, can you enjoy just being here without needing the next thing? Everything that doesn't allow my body to relax completely, to open, to receive, to soften, all the barriers, walls, and protections my body is holding, I now lower them gently, safely, at my own pace. And I destroy and uncreate all resistance to ease. Body, you don't have to perform. You don't have to get it right. What if you can just be and that is enough? Everything your body released today and everything it is still holding and everything you are making things significant or insignificant. Let go of all of it without conclusion, without judgment. I allow my body to return to its natural state of ease.